Hello everyone, I'm Asangla, Microsoft Certified Trainer and Microsoft Certified Solution Developer. And today, where we left off, let's check together. We are on third week. We are going to give us some training order by, group by having, function and procedure. We organized actually for a different week for this education. And we are on the third week right now, and the next week we will trigger try-catch transaction and find redundant data and remove. Okay, looking good. We are on track. We don't have any problem. Let's start with order by. Order by, actually, it's kind of you're ordering your data and ascending or descending, it doesn't matter. Sometimes you can order alphabetically, or sometimes you can order with the numerically, it doesn't matter. As you know, as a defaultly ascending. Okay, let's start. I'm using Nordle database. Okay, successfully. You can see in here inside of this combo box what you're using as a database. And let's start. For example, select asterisk from products P's alias order by unit price. When you do that, you are getting everyone and the default value, default type of order by scanning. Okay, that was good. But at the same time, we can see the product name. I'm sorry, and unit price. When I do that, see, the cheapest product is 2.50 Gatos. After that one, Guarana Fantastica 4.50 or something like that. If you want to do that, descending, copy it and paste that one. Paste that one. Select and run it. See, go to the Blade 263.50 price. This is the most expensive product we have. Okay, that's it. Actually, no big deal, but at the same time, you want to see this. Okay, this is the whole products. All of them are here, but at the same time, we want to see only that one or first 5 order or something like that. Let's look at together. Use order by and find the cheapest product. Okay, again, I'm writing the same query. Select asterisk from products P. Order by unit price and ask. In here, I'm going to write in here P dot product name, comma, P dot, I'm sorry, unit price. We already run this, but okay, right now, as we said before, whole products and whole price you can find in our result of this query. But if you want to see the cheapest one, you can write here top one and hit one more time and Gatos 2.50. That's it, right? Okay. Use order by and find the most expensive one. I'm using descending and top one. Okay, hit the F5 and you can see the product and price. Okay, that was good. But also, if you right here, instead of top 1 to top 5, you can see the use order by and bring here top 5. Let's see it. Products. Okay. Select. No, I don't want to write again. I'm copying and paste. That one, and if I hit the L5, see the most expensive 5 products we have. Jota de Blaye, Troinger blah blah, French something, I don't know how can I spell it, that one. Okay, that's the order by. Not hard one, right? Okay, that's the seriously easy, and also you can use the almost inside of every query, and that's the easy one, right? Okay, I'm going to close that one, but all of them I'm going to comment out. I'm going to continue with group by and having. Firstly, I needed some data. I'm going to there and I'm creating another table. Right click on that one inside of this DSE first week. ID type should be integer, primary key, and auto increment. Okay, that's then. I'm writing a motorbike. Because of this, I'm going to give you some examples from motorbike world. Okay, brand, and also I'm going to read in here fuel consumption. Decimal. Oh, I'm going to change that one. Upstairs, no space. Yeah, fix it. Okay, and here, actually model year better. Model year. You can use an integer. Motorcycles. Okay. Testing our queries right now. Let's give me a sec, please. Okay, I'm bringing here. Okay, I like that better. Before we start group by and having, and I need to get some data. But if you are trying to group by and you need to sum same parameters inside of one table. What am I talking about? I'm talking about like that. Right click and add it up 200 rows. For example, BMW full consumption 3 liters or something like that, and 1996. Sorry. Okay, and another Honda 4 and 2000. Okay, another of them Yamaha and the 5 liters in 100 kilometers 2002. And one more time BMW. See, there's two different BMW. If you don't have any duplicate values, you cannot use the group by inside of here. You need to some kind of redundant data. Okay, but not exactly redundant. For example, this is a BMW. This is a different BMW model or something like that. That one is the 3 liters fuel consumption, but that one 5 liters, and the model year is 2007. Okay, one more time Honda, and no, 3 liters and 2002. Okay, one more time Yamaha, and it should be 7 liters and 2010. One more time BMW at 33554 4 liters 2000. Another of them Honda 7 liters and 2007. Yamaha 3 liters and 2007. And the last of them again BMW. Okay, it should be 5 liters and 2000. 2000 is fine for me. Okay, that was good. I am closing that one. I inserted some data to use it inside of our group by and having process. Okay, that's it. Let's look at first of all why we need to group by. Let's check that together. Okay, how many motorbike do we have according to years? Okay, I wondered. I'm going to report it. But first of all, I need to check our comment site. Okay, there is no question. Comment site, right? Okay, that's the correct one. Let's go in together. I'm wondering that one. Select asterisk from. Oops, first I need to change our database. I'm sorry. ESE first week. That 5. Okay, that was good. Okay, in here, select asterisk from motorcycles. Let me check out our data. Okay, looking good. Brand, fuel consumption, and model year. Okay, our question is how many motorbike do we have according to years? I'm going to see. MC, I give some alias and MC that brand. Right? Okay, I'm sorry. Model year. And also, we already talk about it. I'm going to use aggregate function count. It doesn't matter inside of the count parameter. I'm going to use asterisk. When I select that one, oh, there is some error. Error said that to me. Select list because it's not contained in either an aggregate function or the group by clause. You know what is the problem? Problem is that one. I'm going to show on Excel file. I'm sorry. That one. For example, there is a model year, right? 1996, 1996, one more time, 2000, 2002, 2005, 2002. Okay. And also, I'm counting that one. I'm counting 1, 2, 2, 1996, 1, 2000, 1, 2, 2002, and 1, 2005. When you are not using group by, SQL Server query trying to merge same volume. For example, that one and that one going to be green. That one is neutral. That one is neutral. That one is different something. That one is different something. Okay? And then 1, 2. Trying to same line 2. But here and here, which one is connected these two? And SQL Server didn't decide for that one. Because of this, if you are using the group by 1996 and 1996, merge it and equal that one. Okay? When you do that, you're not getting an error from SQL Server. Let's do it together. Come to here, group by MC dot model year. Let's select it and hit that one. See, 1999 1, 2003, 2002 2, 2007 3, 2010 1. That's the all result of query and working well. And please do not forget it. At the same time, if you want to see the another parameter inside of select and from, MC that brand, for example. When you run this, again, you need to use another parameter inside of group by, comma and MC that brand. Select that one and hit the F5. See? But it's not working well because of only two BMW 2000 and that some parameters different than each other. Some of them model year, some of them brand, some of them count or something like that. Okay? And do not forget it. If you are using the count, average, summation, or something like that between select and from, you need to use group by with aggregate function. But if you want to see only that one, sorry, I typed wrong. Oops. Hit the F5. You don't need to group by. But between that one, and select that one. Problem is SQL Server trying to merge some data, exact number of count, group by, brand. If you are using that one, hit the F5 and there is no problem, right? See, everything is looking well. Okay. What about that one? Another question. Average of fuel consumption according to model years. Actually, I'm wondering, for example, average of 1996 model motorcycle or motorbike equal to 5.6 liters or something like that. Okay, we are going to write together motorcycles MC. I'm coming to here and MC, oops, first, no, MC that model year, comma, AVG average, MC that full consumption, coming to here, group by MC that model year. When I hit the F5, for example, 1996, 3 liters, 2000, 4.33333, 2002, 4 liters, 2007, 5 liters, 2010, 7 liters, inside of 100 kilometers or something like that. Okay, that one is looking good. But also, I have another example. Let me will think about it for you. At the same time, I'm going to check it out. StreamYard. Okay, everything is going well, I think. And according to fuel, consumption, how many motorcycle do we have same fuel consumption? For example, for 5 liters, 3 cars. For 7 liters, 4 cars, or something like that. Okay? We are trying to write together. Select asterisk from motorcycles MC, and I'm wondering count of what? MC that fuel consumption, comma, MC that brand, I think, no, I'm writing wrongly. I'm going to see MC that, I messed up, I'm sorry. Full consumption, count, yes, that one is correct. I'm sorry. And also I can here, group by, MC that, full consumption. For example, 3 liters, we have 3 motorcycles. 4 liters, 2 motorcycles. 5 liters, 3 motorcycles. 7 liters, 2 motorcycles. See, that one is good. But at the same time, you have to use together where condition inside of same queries. Okay, you can use it. But sometimes you need to extra filter for your result of query. For example, I'm writing some queries in here. Only I want to see I'm creating some condition older than 2000. I want to see the older than 2000 motorcycles. And also, I want to see the only BMW. Okay, we need to use together. I can write it like that. Select asterisk from, and motorcycles MC. In here, MC that. What am I going to use? MC that model year. Okay, that was good. And also MC that. No, not necessarily brand. Average fuel consumption. Okay. I'm writing here where condition MC that Brent should be equal BMW, and I can use it MC that model year should be greater than 2000. Okay, it's gonna working. Oh, we forgot something. Goodbye, I'm sorry. Goodbye MC that model year. Okay, that was good. When I hit the F5, for example, 2007 and 5 liters. But there is some performance problem. Do you know what is the problem exactly? If you are connecting to each condition with AND, I'm going to show you. And our first queries is, I'm sorry, older than 2000, also only BMW. We have to filtering it. Okay. How is working our query? Query is working like that. What is the first condition? 2000, right? Look in the 2000, look in 2000, look in 2000, look in 1, 2, 3. But I am trying to find 2000 model year. I am working on it 10 different values, right? And if you are connecting the different two conditions with AND, you are going to see that at the same time I'm looking to BMW. Again, it's going to work 10 different lines, right? Trying to find 2000 worked 10 different lines. 1, 2, 3, found it. And trying to find BMW, again working 10 different values. BMW, 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 and BMW. Then apply some intersection, 2000 set of 2000s, set of BMWs, and connected to each other. As a result of this, our queries working 2 times in one table. We don't want to do that. I filtered our values. I can say only 2000s coming to my result, or I can say only BMW coming to my result. Okay? After one filtering, I have to apply another filter. Sorry, that one. Using with having. If you're using having like that, I'm copying that one, paste it, and the MC modular full consumption, brand that one, I'm deleting that one, I deleted it. In here, I'm going to using having, okay, and see that model year, for example, greater than 2000. When I hit the F5, I can find it. If I using like that, my first condition is MC that brand should be BMW. After that one, I'm not working on 10 lines table. I'm working only 4 lines table. After, if I using the having one and our MC model is greater than 2000, my queries working on it only 4 lines result, right? After that one, found the correct values, then showing to us. That's it. Well, I'm going to solve it, but step by step. I'm going to solve it. Desktop. Short week, I can say. Okay. Time by time, I can say it. Let's check that. Do you have any question? There's no question. Okay, thank you. And this is the end of the group by and having. And Or another topics for today, functions. I'm going to all of them comment it out. Okay, let's continue. Functions. And what is the functions exactly in math? Functions are actually purpose of same inside of the SQL, and our functions is working. For example, inside of SQL, only have one purpose, and not correctly whole question, coming to calculate something, coming to bring something, or something like that. That's the easy one, right? But there is some rules about functions. Functions does not working with data completely. Meaning, you cannot do that. Insert and update. You can do it to select, or you can use the select queries, and there is a return value, and return values are can be table valued or scalar value. Table value meaning bring to result of some whole data kind of table, or only scalar value. Scalar value is meaning there's no direction, only 3, 5, 7 or something like that. And the functions are database objects. You can create with command, and you can delete with drop command, and you can update with alter command. That one is good. And I think the most important thing is about functions. At the same time, you can face off with some software development companies interview. If you want to use functions, you have to use with select query. Let's do that here. Okay. Now I'm going to creating some function in here. Create function. I'm going to give it some name, fnc get product by ID. I'm opening the parentheses. I need to add some parameter. I need to product ID. Pro ID, I'm going to give some type integer. And then what is the result of this query? Scalar value or table? Return table as what is the it should be returns, I'm sorry. Return select asterisk from products. Be careful please, where product ID should be equal that one, right? Copying and paste it. When I create that one, invalid object in products. Oh, I need to jump to use PowerPoint. Okay, correct one. Okay. One more thing. Okay. There's no problem. Okay. That's the parameter. Actually, that's the variable type of integer. And also, when you use this function, you need to put inside of this parenthesis some parameter, and this parameter coming to here kind of where condition inside of our queries, right? That one. Okay. And also, I created some functions inside of the database. We are going to using Northwind. In here, there is some. I'm opening the yes, functions folder. I'm opening that one. Actually, aggregate system, scalar and table valued. We have 4 different folders. I'm going to refresh it before I open it. When I click the addition symbol, hit that one. See, there is a R function. When I click the modify, you can see the R body of function. How can you use it? R function. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm coming to here. Select asterisk from. Just be careful. I'm going to call fnc underscore get product by ID. Please be careful. When I open the parentheses, functions need to some product ID. I'm writing here 5. I'm closing that one. Selecting and then F5 C. For example, all the time you need that query, you can convert the function and you can use it. That's the easy one, right? That's the table one. And if the here is table, there is no problem. You can use it whatever you want. Okay, all the time you can use it. There is no problem with that. And also you can use it with the inner joins. Let's give you some example about inner joins. Create function fnc underscore some get product with category name by get ID. I'm putting the category ID. I'm going to see which product belongs to this category. Cat ID integer. Okay. What is my returns type? My returns type should be equal table as return select asterisk from products P. Come here. Inner join category C. Okay, that one is good. P that category ID should be equal C that category ID. Also, I'm going to see P that product name, comma, C that category name, where C that category name should be equal get ID. Okay. F5. Okay. Successfully. Select asterisk from fnc. I'm going to put inside of some category ID, for example 3. When I hit that one, see, I am putting in here 3. 3 is equal to confections category name, and the confections inside of the confections category, those products. Okay, that was good. Until here, any question? Let me check it for you. Okay. There is no question. That was good. If you have any problem, please let me know. After functions, we are going to see the procedures. And procedures I think more important than functions. Before we procedures, we are going to solve your problem. Okay, no problem. And also, scalar value. What about that one? For example, let's check it out. Order table, right? Okay. I extended the tables, right click on orders. I'm going to edit up 200. There is a freight. No, I don't need that one. But I can use, I think, order details better for that example. Right click and then edit up 200, that one. Okay, there's a unit price. That was good. For example, there is no text column inside of your table, and I want to see the 14 money. I want to see the 14 Turkish liras, dollar, euros, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use the Turkish liras, 14 Turkish liras. What about our new price for this order using with tax? Okay, I'm going to try some tax for this price. Let's check it out together. I'm going to creating another function. Function FNC underscore calculate tax. There is a tax money returns. Please be careful. There is no table anymore. That's the scalar value money, right? As begin and end, open and close, return price. For example, I'm going to use only 8%. No, should be like that. Okay, that was good. I came to here and I'm hit the F5. Okay, compile successfully. I came to here, select asterisk from order details OD. I'm going to write in here OD dot order ID, comma OD dot price, OD dot what was it? FNC calculate tax. I'm copying that one. Comma DBO dot DBO is meaning FNC calculate tax. OD dot price, because our method needs to some parameter as tax value or tax price. We can say again. I'm going to use that one. I'm copying that one. As general price, we can say like that. Okay. For example, if I hit the F5, let's look at together, and our unit price is 14. Our tax is 8% of 14, 1.12, and the total 15.12. See, still there is no column like general price or tax price, but I can see the result of my query. That one is seriously good, that one. And also, especially inside of some reports, we can use it. And seriously, that one is useful. Okay, that one is good. And that's our functions. I'm going to save it. Okay. As I said before, after our training, I'm going to share these queries on my personal GitHub account. And also, I'm going to share with my GitHub account link on the comment window. Give me a sec, please. And here, yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. What about profile? I have here. I copied and that one. Okay. You can find on the chat window my GitHub account, guys. And at the same time, you can see the different some repositories or something like that. Okay, that one is good. I'm closing that one. I saved it and I'm going to comment it out. Control KC. We completed functions, and today's last topic is start procedures. Okay, start procedures. Start procedures are DBO. DBO is meaning database object. And also, if something is DBO, you can use the create for okay, create for create command, alter for now. I'm going to write that one. Create for alter command, drop for light command. Okay. You can create one time, and you can use it thousands time, and because of this, and usually we are going to say write less, do more. Compiling only one time, because of that one, and less the network traffic. Less network traffic. Thanks to procedure. Okay, that's a start procedure. And for example, I need to see my total. Let's check out something. For example, every end of the year, I'm asking to my employees, I'm asking our total earnings in 1 year. Okay, I need to wonder it. And also, I'm asking this question every end of the year. Because of this, I can create with that for procedure, create procedure PRC according to, I'm giving the name PRC total earnings, right? That's the year parameter I'm going to use as an integer, right? I write here as select asterisk from orders, all, and also inner join order details ORD on O that order ID should be equal ORD that order ID together. And also I need to calculate some my total earnings, but before that one there is a new aggregate function, that's the year. If you are writing here whole date, they can select only year. Okay, we can see that one. I'm going to use summation, and how can I calculate it? Our order side quantity times, or did that unit price, right? Okay, that was good. But also I need to see group by year order date. Okay, that was good. And also that's important, please carefully, year should be equal, no, I'm going to use that one. Order date should be equal at symbol year, right? That one is, I'm going to that one. I'm creating some procedure. When I hit the F5, there is no result because I'm creating our procedure. I come to here, and procedures does not working with select query. Procedures working with exec command. Exec command, that's the short version of executive. Executive meaning is run this command. Okay, PRC, that according to price total earnings. Okay, that was good. Space, you can see the inside of the tip box year. I'm writing here 1996. Our database really old. But when I hit the F5, see, that's the total earnings in 1996. Okay, I can present to my manager this value, and also I can see I can say, I'm sorry, for example, 1997, I'm not sure. Let's check that together. See, 1998, okay, that was good. 1999, oh, there is no any value. Okay. My newest one, the newest values are coming from 1998. That's the procedure. That's a good one. And we are using a lot of procedure, especially in the real life. Procedure is seriously useful. And, and procedures giving to some advantage. And we write the above in here. And especially that one is seriously impressive for me. And inside of the real life, you need a lot of performance. And if you are using the procedure, you can earn a lot of time and performance. We can solve it with that. And let's creating some another examples here. And also you can use it together, one or more queries inside of procedure. Let me think about it. Let's check that together. That one. I do up. Okay, let's total earnings. But this time, according to customer. Okay. Let's write it together. But how can we write it? I don't know exactly. We are going to see that one. Create procedure TRC underscore total earnings for customer. I'm going to add some customer ID, and the type is, I already checked that one, and char, and our limits is 5. S. I'm writing to here, select asterisk from orders O, and also I'm going to writing here inner join with order details ORD on O that order ID should be equal ORD that order ID, and I need to one more inner join customer C on C that should be customer ID, I'm sorry, customer ID equals O that customer ID, right? I used 3 different tables using the 2 different inner joins, but where see that customer ID should be equal at ID. It should be customer ID. Okay, that we solved it. And also, not at the moment, but firstly, I need to change that asterisk. See that company name. After that one, I'm going to use summation aggregate function. ORB that quantity times ORB that unit price. That's the correct one. Then also group by see that company name, right? Because there's an aggregate function. If I don't use it, we'll have some problem, and we don't want a problem. And I'm going to create that one. Okay, that's the correct one. I'm going to start with exact PRC according to PRC total earnings. Okay, that one, and I'm going to some ID, writing that one. When I run that one, offers to KIST and 4,596.20. Okay, that's the total earnings for customer. That one. And you can add some year for that one using with alter command, because we already created that one. Because of I'm going to use alter, and also, for example, I'm going to use I'm going to use that one. Okay. Having, for example, that order date should be equal, for example, 1996. Okay. If I write it, oops. What kind of problem? Let's get together. Group by. Well, we used to having close. Sorry. Comma and that. Okay. Probably we solve it. Okay, that was good. When I run one more time, oh, there is none. What about that one? 1997. See, that one. Okay, we solved that one. And also, until here, do we have any question? Okay, there is no question. That was good. And then also, my last query for today. You can use, or you can put a lot of queries inside of only one database object, so one procedures. For example, I am going to insert some values, kind of insert procedure. If the procedure, or sorry, if the data are not exist in my table, it's going to insert. It's already created or already inserted. My query is going to show me you already inserted that one or something like that. Okay. We are, let's upside, going to insert some values in shippers table. If values are inside of our table, do not insert anything. Values are not inside of our table, insert it. Okay. Great. Proc meaning short version of procedure. PRC insert shipper. I'm going to use two different parameters. One of them, name, virtual 40 is enough for us. Another of them, form. Okay, S. Let's create it together. If not exists. Not exist what? That one. Select asterisk from shippers where company name should be equal name and font should be equal at font. I'm going to use begin and blog. Insert into shippers company name and font name font. Shippers, I'm going to shop it. That one's good. Else, and already inserted. Okay. I'm going to create that one. Exec PRC underscore insert shipper wine sugar. Comma, I'm inserting some phone number, something like that. When I hit that one, yeah, that was good. Wine shipper and phone number added. I'm creating one more time. If I hit the F5, see, already inserted. That's the kind of control mechanism redundant data. Okay, that's it for today. Do you have any question, guys? And someone asked me this live broadcast serve that one. Yes, at the same time we are serving that one, and our we are publishing our data science earth YouTube channel, and also you can find the inside of the LinkedIn our LinkedIn profile. Okay, another question? I'm writing your question, guys. Is everything okay with you? I'm going to end our broadcast. I think everything is fine. Okay. Thank you for your time, and also thank you for your effort. Next week is our final week for this training session. After that one, we are going to share some examination with you, and who is completed that examination, we are going to give them some certificates. And I think that's it. Okay, thank you very much, Martin. Have a good night.